In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow or don't allow deleting without confirmation for Shortcuts app on iPhone. So I'm on my iPhone now, and the first thing I'm going to do is open the Settings app. Once Settings opens, I'll start scrolling down through the menu until I find Apps. You may need to go a little bit lower on the page depending on where you are, so just keep scrolling until you see it. As soon as Apps appears, I'm going to tap on that. Now I'm inside the Apps section, and from here I need to find Shortcuts. Since the apps are listed in alphabetical order, I'm just going to scroll down until I reach the S section. I'm moving through the list looking for shortcuts, and once I find it, I'll tap on it to open the shortcut settings. Now that I'm in the shortcut settings, the next thing I'm looking for is advanced. So I'm just scanning down the page a bit until I see that option. Once advanced shows up, go ahead and tap on it. That takes me into another menu where there are a few extra settings related to how the Shortcuts app works. At this point I'm in the advanced section, and now I'm looking for the setting called allow deleting without confirmation. You should see a toggle next to it. This is the option you can turn on or off depending on how you want deleting shortcuts to work on your iPhone. If you want to allow deleting without confirmation, just tap the toggle so it turns on. Once that switch is enabled, the setting is active right away. That means the option to delete without that extra confirmation step is now allowed. There's nothing else you need to save here, and there's no additional pop-up you need to go through in this process. If instead you don't want deleting without confirmation to be allowed, then you'll tap that same toggle so it turns off. Once it's off, that means deleting without confirmation is not allowed. So really, whether you want to allow it or not allow it, you're using the exact same setting in the same place. You're just deciding whether that switch should be on or off. I'll go through that path one more time while I'm here so it's easy to follow and easy to remember. We opened the Settings app, then scrolled down and tapped on Apps. After that we found and opened Shortcuts. Then we tapped on Advanced, and inside that section we found Allow Deleting Without Confirmation and turned it either on or off depending on the result we wanted. If you're following along with me on your own phone, just take your time while moving through the menus. The part that usually takes the longest is just scrolling down to the right app. But once you're inside Shortcuts and then inside Advanced, the rest is very quick. You're really only changing one toggle here. So I'm still on the Advanced page right now, and I can quickly check the setting before I leave. If the allow deleting without confirmation switch is on, then that setting is enabled. If the switch is off, then it's disabled. That's how you can tell at a glance which one is currently active. Once that's done, you can simply back out of settings or close the app completely, and the change will already be applied. So that's how to allow or don't allow deleting without confirmation for the Shortcuts app on iPhone. Just open Settings, go to Apps, tap on Shortcuts, open Advanced, and then turn allow deleting without confirmation on or off. That's all you need to do.